Hey guys, it's your girl Taya back here with another video, and we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to customize your own fall sleeves. Yes, anybody that knows me knows that I love fall sleeves. So we're just gonna be starting off with some scissors. You're gonna need a pair of tweezers. You're going to need some glue, and of course your fall sleeves. Today I'm gonna be using the Salon Perfect. And you can find these at Walmart, and that's what I love about these guys. They're super affordable. Even if you're on a budget, you can definitely afford to customize these lashes. Yes, I said Walmart. For those of you that thought that you heard me wrong, you can find these at Walmart. I love it. Walmart always has some good stuff depending on the day. So anyway, the two lashes that I'm going to customize today are going to be the Salon Perfect 614s and the 615s. And right now I'm just actually showing you guys the pair that I've already done. These are a little different. These are the Salon Perfect Demi Wispies, but of course it's me and I can't just be regular degular sometimes. I just gotta be extra. So I went on ahead and just did these just to show you guys an example that you can use any lashes you want. You don't have to be extra like me if you don't want to. If you want to just be plain, you can always get you just a basic pair of Demi Wispies, and you can go ahead and customize those as well. So here guys, I'm just showing you how they look when they come off of the strip. It's like a really thin band if you guys can't tell on camera, but in person they're really thin. So that's why I like to customize them as well, especially these, because you don't have to worry about them looking, you know, super fake. And even though they're fall season, they're, of course, people gonna know you probably have them on. But believe it or not, some people do come up to me and be like, "Are those your lashes?" So depending on how good you make them look, you know, you could get away with them looking kind of like yours. Yes? No? I don't know. Okay. Anyway, so right here, I'm just putting glue on the lashes and then the lash band, excuse me, and then I'm just letting it dry. And then I'm just going to be taking the I believe I was the 615s. Yeah, I'm putting the 615s on the top. Now it just depends on you personally, I guess your preference. I've done them both ways. Like I put the 614s on the top, and then I've also put the 614s on the bottom. Today I decided to go ahead and put them on the bottom because I think as I looked at them, you know how sometimes you go back and you like look at your lashes and you're like, why does this one look different, or why does this one look better? I realized that when you put the 615s on top, because they're a little bit more spread out, I don't know, they just look a little different. To me, they look better, and that's just personal preference. You might think, you know, otherwise if you try them at home. Let me know in the comments what you think if you tried them the other way around. But either way, I'm putting the 615s on the top, and I'm just letting them dry. So here I'm just doing the exact same thing to the other side. I'm just taking the glue and just applying it on the lash band. And after I do that, I'm just gonna place the 615s on top of the 614. So I'm just taking the glue, just making sure that it dries, just showing you guys how it looks once the glue's on there. And you don't have to go crazy with the glue. One little layer usually is fine. And then I'm just placing it on top. I'm slowing it up because I realized that I kind of went fast when I did the first one. So I'm just showing you guys how I placed the 615 on top of the 614. And you know, don't be discouraged guys if you try to do it the first time and it doesn't go on right away, because as you guys can see, I'm struggling too. So it's not always going to be perfect the first time you do it. You know, you guys sometimes practice. So if you don't get it right the first time, again, just keep trying. If you notice, I'm using my finger to kind of help me get it on there, because it was trying to give me hell, y'all. I don't know what was going on that day, but it wasn't cooperating. You know, sometimes lashes just be like that. I don't know why, but it wasn't cooperating. But anyway, it seems like I'm about to finally get it. Ugh, it's taking me forever to put this one on. But yeah, just keep pressing it towards the top using your tweezer to get it on there. And sometimes that happens when you don't allow the glue to dry a little bit. It has to get tacky before you try to put it on there. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys that I went on ahead and did both lashes, and I'm just going to sit them down for a little bit and let them dry. Oh, and I just wanted to quickly show you guys the difference between the 6/14 and the 6/15 in case you missed it. Once my lashes are dry, I like to go ahead and just squeeze the lash band at the top. And what this does, it just helps make sure that they stay put together, that they don't start, you know, coming apart and stuff. They look real natural. And I'm just showing you guys from the side, from the front. Go ahead and put them back in the band or wear your lashes out, girl. Do you, whatever you want to do. Now you got you some fresh custom lashes. Keep in mind, ladies, you don't have to go as dramatic as me. I'm just extra. So if you want to get you a nice natural pair, add a couple little individuals, you can do that as well. So here it is the next day, and I already have one eye done. I did it off camera, so now I'm going to show you ladies how I put the other one on. So you're going to start off by just taking a little bit of liner, and that just is like a buffer between your natural lash and your falsie. Then I added a little bit of mascara to my natural lash, and then I just went on ahead and applied my falsies. I had to do it off camera because I could not get it, ladies. Like, this is my second time putting these lashes on. So anyway, I went on ahead and I just put it on, and then now I'm just taking my tweezer and I'm just kind of pressing it into my natural lash, and that's like a really good way to make sure that they're nice and secure. You just want to press them in gently, and then I take the tweezer, and again I'm doing that same squeezing motion that I did before when I made the lash. So I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze them in again gently just to make sure they're nice and secure. As you guys can see, I'm just pressing it in one more time. Like, I make sure that these falsies are not going anywhere. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of liquid liner, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some mascara to my bottom lashes because you know those make the eyes pop. And then I'm just going to put just a little bit of mascara on the top just to kind of blend them in to give a flawless finish. And now I'm just showing you ladies how they look once I have on both falsies, and showing you side views, front views, just so you can see how natural they look. And yeah, I hope you ladies learned something from this video, how to get some bomb lashes on a budget. And if you have any questions, just go ahead and leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you ladies in my next video. And you know what to do. Stay blessed.